Hello friends, today I want to do a comparison. Actually, my daughter will be doing a comparison between these clutch holders. So on the right we have the basic Koh-I-Noor Versatil 5347 model. This is an aluminum shell Koh-I-Noor Versatil, again 5340. So that's 5347, this is 5340, and we also have the CRETACOLOR Ergonomic. It says 43015. This is made in Austria, or at least it says Austria, doesn't say made in. Anyway, what I'm interested in is which one of these you will find more comfortable to use for your drawing tasks. The LEDs inside are the same. They are the hardest ones, 2B, and then you have 4B and something else. But these are what come with the clutch holders, and they're considered to be the harder ones. So you will not see a difference between the LEDs inside, but you will see a difference. So this is a triangle. This has 8 sides, corners, and this is the ergonomic model, which you will find a way to hold it if you find this comfortable at all. When I gave this to your brother, he said he preferred the triangle shape of the Koh-I-Noor. Let me give you the tips, okay? And you know how you operate, right? You press down, this slides out, and basically that's it. Here you go, you have 3 of them. Please try all 3 and see which one feels more comfortable. I suspect, because this is the lightest and the simplest shape, I think you will like this most, but let's see, I might be wrong. So she has prepared a sketch of a face that she wants to draw, and let me just make sure that these are the same. I feel the same. So these are the harder LEDs, but they are both from the same brand, but this is softer, you will see, and it's also lighter in color. So these two are slightly darker in color, this is lighter. But what we're interested in actually not only the shape and ergonomics, but do you like to draw with this or with the darker and harder feel of the LED? Okay, go ahead. I'll put you on time-lapse. these three, you used a lot of other drawing brushes and pencils, but what can you tell us about these three?
Well, I didn't like this one as much as I liked this. This one helped me blend shadows really well, and it was the most helpful in my opinion. And this one helped me darken the contours, but I didn't use this one as much. So
okay, so when you say that you liked this best, it is you're referring to the lead itself.
yes, but it was
So
also
these two are the same. These two are harder. This is softer. The softer does shading better, and the harder ones do contours better. But so I understand that you preferred the shading function and the soft feel of this lead. But if I was to slide this lead out and put it in here, you would then say you liked this better. So we understand you like the softer lead. How about the feel, the ergonomics? Which one was more comfortable to use, and why do you say this is the crappiest one?
because I wasn't comfortable holding it, and I was more comfortable holding this one. This one bothered me.
How? The triangle was not
Yes,
a
the
good shape?
triangle didn't sit well in my fingers.
Okay, so let's take that aside. And how about these two?
I'd still pick this one for drawing, but this one maybe for sketching or for contouring.
So this was comfortable and ergonomic. It's
Yeah.
not a gimmick. It really is comfortable. You say?
Yeah,
How did you hold it?
this one feels like plastic. It probably is plastic.
It
I'm
is
not,
plastic.
yeah, and this one feels more like metal, and
it's cold.
it's harder, yes, and it's colder, so there is some discomfort holding it, because you need to get used to it, and I didn't get used to it.
So you like this one best?
Yes,
And the lead inside.
the lead inside as well.
Okay.
For what I
clear.
was doing.
So number one, number two, and this is the worst.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it, make sure that you're subscribed for more content. Cheers, have a good one.